Hi everybody. We have with us today Renuka Gavrani, the author of The Art of Being Alone and The Magic of Creative Living. So I'd like to ask Renuka a few questions. Renuka, hi.
Hi.
What was the inspiration behind the art of writing behind the art of being alone?
So it was, two things. A, that I always had difficulty making friends, and B, I always wanted to make friends because I thought if I don't have friends, then I'm, the weird left out kid who no one picked. And when COVID happened, it was the time when I was forced to be alone. I was with my parents. I did not know my passion, and I was all over the place. And because I was forced to be alone with no friends, no one to talk to, I had a lot of time to just sit alone and do nothing. And this time, first, it was very difficult to actually hear your own voices that are against you. And then it actually got interesting when I got to hear, okay, there's something really interesting about me. So I wanted for people to understand that being alone doesn't have to be so miserable if we can learn how to belong to ourselves.
So before COVID, you had your group of friends
Right.
and they were all around you. You were studying
Yeah.
outside the house. Where were you? Like, you're
Yeah.
not in the
So
same city?
I did my graduation from Jaipur.
Okay.
And so in hostel what happens is that रूम भले ही सबके अलग अलग होते हैं बट सब एक रूम में होते
हाँ,
हैं.
maybe the
So
TV room or
yeah.
maybe the dining room. Yeah.
So मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में हम 5-6 लड़कियों का ग्रुप था. हम सब एक ही रूम में बैठे रहते थे.
Okay.
And it was like a family away from family, and I still miss those days because your friends are there for you. So
Okay, are you planning to write a sequel to The Art of Being
art
Alone?
of being alone. I think I might because there's people who love this book so much that I really want to get into the more deeper aspects of solitude.
Okay. So from The Art of Being Alone to The Magic of Creative Living, I feel you've suddenly like grown up or something. So what is your take on writing the second book? I mean, how did you decide upon writing this about this particular topic? Yeah.
Okay, so again, ever since I was a child, I thought two things to be true about myself. A, that I wanted to do something really big, and B, I thought I was really dumb, that I did not have a brain or I was not blessed with creativity as other kids did. But again, as I spent a lot of time alone, and I got to realize that your ability to believe in yourself is actually a part of creativity. And the more you live your life as who you are and you make choices that makes you happy, you realize that creativity is not about how smart you are or how intelligent you are, but creativity is really is creative is creativity is actually, to me, our lives are our biggest creative assignments, and how we live it is our legacy. So the choices we make, day-to-day choices, it doesn't have to be the anniversary or birthdays or something. The day-to-day choices we make will define how creative we go with this life.
ओके सो जैसे कि अकेलापन फोकस में है आपकी आउट ऑफ बीइंग अलोन किताब में आपकी अकेलापन के बारे में क्या राय है जैसे आजकल के वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में सभी कुछ ना कुछ चीजों में बिजी हैं तो जैसे एक कमरे में भी सारे लोग बैठते हैं तब भी लगता है कि एक शैडो जैसे मतलब कि है देयर इज अ वॉल बिटवीन पीपल एंड दैट्स आल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ अकेलापन
Yeah.
so to say. So what is your opinion about that?
See, I think I've been trolled for my for writing this book, The Art of Being Alone, by certain people who say that if you're writing a book on loneliness, then you are asking people to not be with others. But that's opposite is the truth, because I believe your ability to be alone, your ability to belong yourself, the deeper your ability to belong yourself, the more you will love other people, because that is not coming from a place of dependentness that I need your love, that I need you.
Right.
Right. And so with you, what you said about people staying in the same room and still everyone is on their phones or no one is actually interacting with each other, because we have created these walls against our own selves, that we automatically have these walls when we are interacting with other people as well. So जब हमें खुद से ही बात करना नहीं आएगा तो हम दूसरों से बात करेंगे तो deeply नहीं connect कर पाएंगे.
Okay. Thank you, Renuka, for this enlightening conversation.